Hello all, welcome to Genius channel. We are going to see some NDA English previous year questions. So we are going to see clause comprehension section. Now, in the following passage, there are some blank spaces with 4 words or group of words given. Select whichever word or group of words you consider more appropriate for the blank space and indicate your response on the answer sheet accordingly. Okay, so blank spaces will be there, and along with that, you will be having 4 options, and you have to choose which is the correct word. The honeybee is a very unusual kind of insect. The honeybee is a very unusual kind of insect. Dash other insects which live alone. The honeybee lives as a or an of a community. Okay. So you have to read that, identify which is the correct option. Honeybee is a very unusual. Honeybee is a very unusual kind of insect. Yes, whether dash other insects, whether it is unlike, similar to, with, like. Yes, they are saying that it is unusual, isn't it? Unusual means not similar to other insects. So similar to, we cannot say, like we cannot say. It is unlike other insects. Honeybee is a very unusual kind of insect. Unlike other insects which live alone, the honeybee lives as a or an group of a community. Okay. So whether it is group of a community, individual member lives as dash of a community. Whether it is member or group, what is the correct word? Yes, honeybee will not live alone, isn't it? It is not living alone. It is living as a member of a community. As a member of a community. It is a member of a community. That is the difference between honeybee and other insects. That is what they are saying. Honeybee is a very unusual kind of insect. Unlike other insects which live alone, honeybee lives as a member of a community. Okay, so answer is member. So 46 answer is unlike, 47 answer is member. Okay, now we'll continue reading. Continue. The bees live together in what is known as a bee house, home, army, colony. The bees live together in what is known as a bee, whether it is house, home, army, colony. Yes, the bees live together in what is known as a bee colony. Bee colony. That means it is a community, it's a group, isn't it? So we'll not use the word house, home, army. So they live in a colony. They live together in a colony. So bee colony. The head of the bees is called queen bee. The head of the bee is called queen bee. She is dash than the rest of the bees. She is dash than the rest of the bees. Heaviest, heavier, largest, larger. She is dash than the rest of the bees. Yes. So here it is. We cannot use superlative because the is not there. She is the heaviest. Okay, fine. But the is not there. So it can be heavier or larger. So generally She is larger than the. She is larger than the rest of the bees. This queen bee is larger than the rest of the bees. Okay, so 49 answer is larger. Then her main task is to dash. Her main task is to dash eggs. Lay eggs, hatch eggs, make eggs, bear eggs. What is her main task? Lay eggs, hatch eggs, make eggs, bear. Yes, obviously that is sure, isn't it? Her main task is to lay eggs. Lay eggs. Her main task is to lay eggs. Okay. So 50, the answer is option A. So just concluding this paragraph, the honeybee is a very unusual kind of insect. Unlike, so it is unlike 46, unlike. Then unlike the other insects which live alone, the honeybees lives as a member of a community. The bees live together in what is known as a colony. It is known as a colony, 48 colony. Uh, the head of the bees is called queen bee. She is heavier. Sorry, she is larger than rest of the bees. Her main task is to lay eggs. Her main task is to lay eggs. So that's about close comprehension section. We are going to the next section now. Next, we are going to see synonyms. Synonyms. Each item in this section consists of a sentence with an underlined word or words followed by 4 words. Select the option that is nearest in meaning to the underlined word or words and mark your response in your answer sheet accordingly. So synonyms, that means you have to identify the meaning. Okay. So all of you go to the question number 1. Go to the question number 1. I do not want to lead a life of sycophancy as you did during the foreign rule. I do not want you to lead a life of sycophancy as you did during the foreign rule. Options: admiration, love, appreciation, flattery. Which is the word which is nearing in meaning to sycophancy? All of you comment your answers. Sycophancy. What could be the meaning of the word sycophancy? Yes, the correct meaning is flattery. Flattery. Flattery means what? That means for the advantage of, for taking advantage from us, the foreign people are flattering us, saying good things about us, but they are saying that for their only advantage. Okay, so here it is flattery. Flattery. Correct answer is flattery. That means not sincere to you, but showing that they are sincere. So that is sycophancy. Okay. Next is question number 5. The growth and development of peasant movement was indissolubly linked with the national struggle for freedom. The growth and development of the peasant movement was indissolubly linked with the national struggle for freedom. The growth and development of peasant movement was indissolubly linked with the national struggle for freedom. Indissolubly. Identify the meaning from the context. You may not be knowing the meanings of all the words given here, but try to get that from the context. The growth and development of peasant movement was indissolubly linked with. Options: firmly, vaguely, individually, steadily. Which is the correct meaning? Indecisively. Yes. That means indissolubly can be firmly. That means growth and development, present moment was indissolubly linked with national struggle means what? Cannot be broken. Both are firmly joined, firmly linked. They cannot be separated. Okay, both are this present moment and national freedom national struggle cannot be broken or cannot be separated. Okay, that's why they are, we can say they are linked firmly. Okay. So firmly is the correct word. Next is question number 2. In India, it has become easy to attack cultural artifacts these days. In India, it has become easy to attack cultural artifacts these days. Beckon, assault, belch, appreciate. Attack. So what is the word which is having almost same meaning as attack? Yes, assault, isn't it? Assault. Assault and attack almost same meaning. Can be another other meanings can be beat, to attack, to beat, to knock down, to knock down, knock down. Okay, so attack, that is a negative word, isn't it? So assault also a negative word. Okay, so attack almost same as assault. What is the meaning of belch? Belch. Belch actually it is used to show uh, coming out of smoke from the big chimneys and all. Belching out. Belching out means to come out as a smoke. That is belch. Then what is the meaning of beckon? Beckon. That means it is a gesture with hand. Beckon means to gesture, show some gesture with hand or arm or head to encourage someone. To encourage someone, if we are showing some action with our hand, head, or arm, we can call it as beckon. Okay. So here, assault and attack is having almost same meaning. Next is question number 3. Question number 3. A local court granted bail to the criminal on Thursday. A local court granted bail to the criminal on Thursday. Options: confessed, donated, allowed, yielded. Yielded. Granted bail, which is the other meaning or any synonym of granted. Granted means what? To give, isn't it? To give. Or we, so here, what is the word that is almost similar to granted? Yes, allowed, isn't it? Allowed bail. That means give bail or allowed bail, we can say. Bail is given or bail is allowed to a criminal. Okay, so local court allowed, granted can be synonym of granted can be allowed. Okay. Next is question number 6. Weather conditions have been improving over the past few days. Weather conditions have been improving over the past few days. Improving. Yeah, easy. Options: mending, amending, becoming better, advancing. Improving. Yes, improving can be said as becoming better, isn't it? Correct synonym is becoming better, improving or becoming better. Next one, question number 7. The confusion on the interlocutor's face was gratifying. The confusion on the interlocutor's face was gratifying. Options: government officer, party worker, dialoguist, revolutionary. Interlocutor. Interlocutor. Who is an interlocutor? Okay, so interlocutor is someone who is who is engaged in dialogues. Who is engaged in dialogues. He engages himself in dialogue. So here it is dialoguist. Dialoguist. Confusion on interlocutor's face was gratifying. Interlocutors means dialoguist. Dialoguist. Next question, question number 8. Question number 8. He spends his money lavishly. He spends his money lavishly. Hesitatingly, generously, foolishly, carefully. Yes, lavishly, hesitatingly is wrong because lavishly and hesitating means will not spend more. Lavish means spending more, isn't it? Carefully, that also we cannot say carefully, and lavishly will not go together, isn't it? Foolishly, that also we cannot say because lavish or lavish spending cannot be foolish, isn't it? So answer is generously. Generously. He sends his money generously. Okay. Sometimes we can use the word extravagantly. Extravagantly also correct. Next, question number 9. The government's new policies will come into force from the next fiscal year. Next fiscal year. What is the meaning of fiscal? Options: calendar, academic, financial, leap. Next fiscal year means what? Fiscal means it is always related to financial. Okay. So fiscal related to money and finance. Fiscal is a term related to money and finance. So it is financial. The government's new policies will come into force from the next fiscal year or financial year. Next one, question number 10. Abundant food was available for the soldiers in the mess. Abundant. Little, plentiful, delicious, wholesome. Abundant food was available for the soldiers in the mess. Abundant means what? Very large or big or more. So which could be that? Abundant. Correct meaning is plentiful, plentiful, lot of food or plenty of food, large amount of food. Okay. So abundant food, we can say it as plentiful, plentiful. So just concluding the meanings. Sycophancy, flattery, attack, assault, granted, allowed, deliver, okay. Deliver. What is the meaning of deliver that we have seen? Deliver the verdict. Deliver the verdict means what? Deliver. Let's pronounce, isn't it? Pronounce the verdict. Pronounce the verdict. Lavishly, generously. Lavishly, generously. Interlocutor, dialogist, improving, becoming better, indissolubly. That means firmly, fiscal, financial, abundant, plentiful. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll see in another video with more questions. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching Genius.